Let's be honest, when you hear the words family trust, it can feel like you're being handed a mountain to climb. The phrase alone sounds intimidating, almost like it's reserved for people with private jets and vacation homes, not for regular families just trying to get by. Most of us immediately picture endless stacks of paperwork, complicated legal jargon, and expensive lawyers who charge by the minute. It's easy to assume that trusts are only for the ultra-wealthy, or that you need a law degree just to understand what's going on. The whole process seems so out of reach, so we push it to the back of our minds. It feels so complex and overwhelming that we just keep putting it off, telling ourselves we'll get to it someday. Maybe when life slows down, or when we have more money, or when we finally have the time to sit down and figure it all out. But that someday rarely comes. The truth is, procrastination doesn't protect our families. It actually leaves them exposed to uncertainty and risk. When we avoid making a plan, we're not shielding our loved ones from stress. We're setting them up for confusion and hardship down the road. We work so hard, day in and day out, to build a secure life for the people we care about. But without a clear plan in place, all that effort can unravel in an instant, lost in legal battles, family disagreements, or government red tape. The legacy you've built could be at risk, simply because the details weren't sorted out in time. It's a bit like building a beautiful house and then forgetting to lock the door at night. You've done the hard work, but you're leaving everything you value open to chance. Here's the good news. You don't need a law degree, a financial empire, or a team of advisors to get this right. Protecting your family's future is more accessible than you think. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking the first step. The real obstacle isn't the trust itself. It's the way we approach it. We let fear and uncertainty take over, convincing ourselves it's too much to handle. But what if we changed our perspective? Too often we try to tackle everything at once, and the sheer size of the task makes us freeze. We see a mountain of decisions and paperwork, and it's easier to just avoid it altogether. But what if you broke it down into small, manageable steps? Suddenly, it's not so overwhelming. You can start with one simple action, like making a list or having a conversation with your family. Each small step brings you closer to peace of mind. By shifting from avoidance to action, you're not just checking a box. You're taking real steps to protect your family's future. Every bit of progress counts, and you'll feel the weight lift as you move forward. It's time to stop letting fear or uncertainty make the decisions for you. You have the power to take control, one step at a time, and your family will thank you for it. You can build a legacy that lasts, one simple, intentional step at a time. Let's get started together. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of setting up a family trust, you're not alone. Forget the old, complicated way of thinking about trusts, the endless paperwork, confusing legal terms, and the feeling that you need a law degree just to get started. Most people put it off for years, thinking it's too hard or too time-consuming. But what if there was a way to make it simple, approachable, and even empowering? That's where the 90-day trust sprint comes in. It's a focused, step-by-step plan designed to help you set up your family trust in just 3 months. Instead of trying to do everything at once, you'll follow a clear roadmap, breaking the process into manageable weekly steps. This isn't about rushing, it's about steady, achievable progress. Each week, you'll tackle one small, clear task. No more staring at a mountain of to-dos and feeling paralyzed. You'll see your progress build, one checkmark at a time, and that momentum will keep you moving forward. In week 1, your only job is to sit down and talk about your goals with your partner or family. What do you want your trust to achieve? Who do you want to protect? This conversation is the foundation for everything that follows, and it's often easier than you think. In week 2, you'll gather your key documents, birth certificates, property deeds, bank statements, and anything else that matters. Don't worry if you can't find everything right away. Just start the process and you'll be surprised how quickly things come together. Every week builds on the last, creating real momentum. As you organize your paperwork and clarify your wishes, you'll feel the weight start to lift. Each small win adds up, and before you know it, you'll be halfway there. By week 5, you're simply listing who gets what. No legal jargon yet, just a straightforward list of your wishes. This step is about clarity, not complexity, and it helps you see the big picture. Once you've got your wishes and documents in order, you'll find a solicitor who fits your needs. This isn't as daunting as it sounds. Armed with your organized notes, you'll be able to ask the right questions and feel confident in your choices. This method removes the guesswork and makes the process manageable. You'll always know what comes next, and you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. The Trust Sprint is designed for busy people. Just 1 or 2 hours a week is all it takes. You don't have to put your life on hold or sacrifice your weekends. You can do it during a lunch break, after the kids are asleep, or on a quiet Sunday morning. The flexibility means you can fit it into your real life, no matter how hectic things get. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every step forward is a win, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just a few weeks. This framework gives you clarity and structure, turning what once felt like a vague, intimidating idea into a concrete project with a clear finish line. You'll have a plan, a timeline, and the confidence to see it through. You're fully capable of doing this. With the right roadmap, you can take control of your family's future and protect what matters most. The Trust Sprint will get you across the finish line, proud, prepared, and ready for whatever comes next. Day 30 is your first big milestone. Celebrate it. You've moved from someday to real intentional planning. By now, you should have a vision statement, a simple paragraph about what you want your trust to achieve. Next, your asset inventory, a list of what you own, from your house to your savings. Don't worry about perfection, just get it down. You should also have a short list of potential trustees and guardians. No big conversations yet, just your top choices in mind. With these 3 things, vision, assets, and key players, you're perfectly on track. You're ready for the next phase. At day 60, it's time to build. You've met with a solicitor, armed with your vision, asset list, and key players. Now, you're reviewing your draft trust documents, making sure your wishes are clear. Don't get lost in legal language, focus on the essentials. By now, you've also talked to your chosen trustees and guardians, and they've agreed. The legal foundation is set, and your plan is almost ready to come to life. You're nearly there. Day 90, the finish line. This final stretch is all about action. First, you sign your trust documents, making it official. Next, you fund the trust. Transfer your home, accounts, and other assets into its name. Use your checklist to make sure nothing's missed. Finally, create your legacy binder. All documents, asset lists, contacts, and a personal letter to your loved ones. This binder is your family's guide in tough times. At day 90, you can breathe easy. You've turned a daunting task into a lasting gift. Your family is protected. You did it. That's real peace of mind. Meet your trust tracker, the tool that keeps you moving. It's a simple checklist, spreadsheet, or even a poster on your wall. Each week, tick off your task and see your progress. That visual proof is powerful motivation. The tracker breaks the sprint into 12 weeks, each with clear, actionable steps. If you fall behind, it shows you exactly how to catch up. No guilt, just clarity. Use templates and scripts to make tasks even easier. The Trust Tracker is your personal project manager. It keeps you focused, prevents overwhelm, and celebrates your milestones. Building a trust is a project. This is your plan, made simple. Stay on track, and you'll get there. But I have no time. Sound familiar? If you're like most people, your days are packed from sunrise to sunset. Work, family, errands, and a never-ending to-do list. It's easy to feel like there's simply no room for anything extra, especially something just for you. But here's the truth. We always find time for what truly matters to us, even if it means making small sacrifices or shifting our routines. The truth is, we make time for what matters. When you prioritize something, you naturally start to notice opportunities to fit it in. It's not about magically creating more hours in the day. It's about being intentional with the time you already have. You only need one focused hour a week. That's just 60 minutes, less than 1% of your entire week. Imagine what you could accomplish if you dedicated that single hour to building trust, working on your goals, or making progress on something important. Schedule it, just like any important appointment. Block it off in your calendar, set a reminder, and treat it as non-negotiable. This is your time to invest in yourself and your future. Call it your trust hour and protect it fiercely. Let your family or coworkers know that this hour is reserved, just like you would for a doctor's visit or a crucial meeting. Maybe it's Tuesday night after the kids are in bed, a quiet lunch break at work, or a peaceful Sunday morning before the day gets busy. The exact time doesn't matter. What matters is that you commit to it. Look for small pockets of time, commuting on the train, waiting at your child's sports practice, or even swapping out just 1 hour of social media scrolling each week. These moments add up and can be transformed into powerful, productive sessions. Be intentional. Repurpose those minutes for this high-impact project. Turn off the TV, put your phone on silent, and give yourself permission to focus fully, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. Have your weekly task ready so you can dive right in. Prepare your materials, make a checklist, and set yourself up for success before your trust hour even begins. Silence your phone, close tabs, and clear away distractions. This is your protected space to make real progress, free from interruptions. Treat your trust hour with respect, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Over time, these small, consistent efforts will add up to big results. 1 hour a week is all it takes. You can do this. Start today, and watch how your commitment transforms not just your project, but your confidence and sense of accomplishment too. Having a plan is one thing. Sticking to it is another. Accountability is your secret weapon. Partner up with your spouse or a friend, or find an accountability buddy. A simple weekly check-in can make all the difference. Use your calendar and reminders to keep you on track. Share your goal with someone you trust for extra motivation. Celebrate your milestones. Reward yourself for progress. These small wins keep you moving, even when life gets busy. The trust sprint is flexible. If you fall behind, just pick up where you left off. Keep going. Every step counts. You've gone from overwhelm to action. In 90 days, you can give your family clarity, security, and peace of mind. This isn't just paperwork, it's an act of love. Progress matters more than perfection. If you stumble, just start again. Every step forward is a win. Imagine holding your legacy binder, knowing your family is protected. That's true peace. Your effort today will ripple through your family's future. The time to start is now. Schedule your first trust hour. Talk to your partner. Download a checklist. Your legacy begins with a single step. Take it today. For a step-by-step guide, get your copy of Trust Made Simple: How Middle-Class Families Can Protect Their Wealth, Avoid Probate, and Stay United in just 90 days. This video is part of our 10-episode series on trusts, so be sure to check out the rest for even more guidance. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content to help you protect your family's future.